Choosing a programming language in hundreds of programming languages and choosing a programming language to upgrade the present position in any tech industry is not a simple task because it requires some research and also some time. So, alright, in this video I will walk you through the top 5 programming languages that I think you should learn in 2021. By the end of the video, you will able to pick one among the high demand coding languages to make a career in 2021. Let's get straight into the programming language number 5, Dart. Dart is a general purpose programming language which has C-type syntax. It is being created by Google, which has more scope in app development. I truly believe that Dart with combination with Flutter has the best capability to take over a lot of app development in the future, because it is way cheaper for a company to just hire one team of Dart to work in both Android and iOS instead of hiring two teams, one for Android and another for iOS. And also, if you are thinking about starting your own company by building an app, it is way cheaper for you to build an app in Flutter and releasing it to both Android and iOS. It is easy because it has only single code base to write, and also it is way cheaper according to me. That's why I love to build apps in Flutter. Let's move on to the fourth programming language, Java. Java is one of the most popular and high demanding programming language ever present in the market. It is a object-oriented, multi-threaded and also platform-independent language. It has huge community support because it is one of the oldest and fast languages present in the programming languages. Java is complex to learn, but if you learn Java, you can able to pick up any programming language easily. Java has many applications like app development, web development, desktop GUI applications, scientific applications and game development. And also in the well-known applications like Signal, LinkedIn, Google and many of the most popular tech companies are using the Java in their tech stack. Then comes the programming language number 3, C++. C++ is one of the favorite languages for every competitive coder who are aiming to get job in big named companies. C++ is one of the fast language. That's why you will see many times in competitive programming C++ will be widely used. C++ is used in various tech industries for the purpose of developing desktop applications, web applications and also operating systems. Some of the well-known apps like Google, Amazon, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft are using C++. Even the autopilot of the Tesla is made with C++. Let's move on to the fastest and most powerful language, Python. Python is one of the programming language which has more popularity in recent years because it has wide range of applications in the machine learning, artificial intelligence and also the web development applications. Why it is so popular language compared to many other programming languages means it has English type syntax, and also if you compare this programming language with many other programming languages, you can able to figure out that Python has very minimal syntax compared to many other programming languages, because Python don't have semicolons and curly braces and many other which many of the programming languages having. But in Python they reduced the programming language syntax is also one of the most robust language. But according to me, I will not prefer Python for the competitive programming because it is not that much fast compared to C++ and Java. If you are preferring for the competitive programming, you can able to take Java or C++. And one of the most interesting part of the Python is automation. You can able to automate many things using Python. It is also called as automating language by many developers. Nowadays, the well-known applications like Amazon, Instagram, Google, Uber and many other companies are using the Python language in their applications of web development, app development, data science, automations and many others. Then comes the winner, JavaScript. Many programming languages came and gone, but JavaScript remains at the top of the programming languages race in every year. Initially, this programming language came for adding the responsive elements on the web pages, but it has gained its popularity in the various technical fields like mobile app development, web app development, gaming development, and many other developments. This programming language can be used both for front-end development and also the back-end development. Some of the renowned companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Google, these are using the JavaScript in their tech stack. If you are thinking to learn JavaScript, I will recommend to learn TypeScript too. Generally speaking, TypeScript is superset of JavaScript. It is a statically compiled language. It helps to write clear and simple JavaScript code. If we are having large JavaScript project, Adopting TypeScript can bring us the more robust software and also easily deployable with the regular JavaScript application. Moreover, that JavaScript having the more compatibility with various frameworks like React, Vue, Node and many other frameworks. That's why many developers choose JavaScript as the developing language for web applications. There are millions of web pages which are being used with JavaScript. Looking with its demand and popularity, we can easily say that JavaScript will remain at the top in 2021 too. Then here comes the most important part of this video. If you are thinking to start coding as a beginner, then listen. Go for any programming language. It doesn't really matter until and unless if you are having some specific reasons like having your placements in less than a year, or if you want to become a developer and want to earn by freelancing in less time. If you are not in these two categories, then I will suggest you to take any programming language as your first language. If you are not in these two categories, go for any programming language to start as a beginner. Because if you learn one programming language with some basics like data types, object-oriented programming, loops, control statements, which are heart of this programming language, and you can able to switch with any other programming language if you are having good basics in that programming language. Okay, suppose if you are in these two categories, if you are having less time for the placements, go for C++ and try learning data structures and algorithms and practice hard on the various platforms like CodeChef, HackerRank and LeetCode. Any one of the platform is enough. Nowadays many companies are keeping their coding contests on the HackerRank, LeetCode and CodeChef. From there itself you can able to get interview letter from contest itself. Or if you want to become a developer and earn money by freelance, choose accordingly which domain suits you, which domain you are concentrated about, go for that one. So we came to the end of this video, and this is one of the gifts my friend sent to me on my birthday. Let's unpack this one. And here is the product. Okay, if you got any value out of this video, please drop a like and comment down what type of videos do you want me to make. If you need any help, reach out to me in Instagram or LinkedIn. So that's it for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and be safe.